Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Here we are for another quick unboxing video, and we have here the make your own wooden birdhouse, and it says here that it's real wood, and this is by Grafix. So this is the back side. So according to here, this includes around 10 pieces of wood, glue, one paintbrush, one eye hook, string, 3 paints, instructions. So let's go ahead and tear this off. I got this from a thrift shop called Boulevard here in Germany. So here are the contents. Here we have 3 types of paint. Promise the brush and the instruction. And of course, a tiny rope to hang clothes. So fair enough, this looks pretty simple. Having a closer look to the wood. So these are, you can see here there are certain edges here. I think I need to sandpaper it down a bit. I think this is pretty small. And also the eye hook. And of course also the glue. The glue, you can actually smell it, yeah. So this is really pretty cute, pretty simple. But in my case, I think I would want to sand this a little down before assembling it. Then you will see. It looks pretty nice. So anyway, I will have fun with my little girl about this. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.